So, hello. We are making a video together, the baby dog and I. And it is nice. Yes, it is a nice day today. Yes, he is feeling good and relaxed, and he is making real nice humming sounds when he's feeling good. Yes, that's what he is doing. Very beautiful pattern here. Beautiful dog. That is a beautiful pit bull type American Staffordshire. We don't know exactly what DNA he has, but I'm guessing on American Staffordshire. But there could be also English Bulldog in him. We don't know for sure. Yeah, very nice.